Winona County, on Ottawa over towards the...
Oh. Is this something like a tornado? You want to go look?
Hold on.
National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for
Oh, no.
northwestern Washington County,
It says Thurston.
northeastern Dodge County, southeastern Thurston County, and northeastern Nebraska until 7:45 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm came
45 minutes.
The tornado was located near Craig, 47 miles northwest of Yakima, moving north at 30 miles per hour. A second storm capable of producing a tornado was located.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Hold on to your asses. Any second now, the power is going to cut out. The power will cut out any second now.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Oakland, Lyons, Whiting, Decatur, Ewing, Craig, Macy, Lewison Park, State Park, and Omaha Reservation. Take cover now. Move to a base.
Said Omaha Reservation, like the entire place.
That's what we're in.
I know. That's why I was like, it's the entire place.
You want to go see?
No, I want to stay down here.
Why?
It's a fucking tornado. You idiot! They told us to take cover, and you're not. And you're like, "Oh, hey, let's go look at it." You fucking idiot!
Well, we're already taking cover. We need to go uncover.
No, you're fucking with me.